Hey, this is the boat doctor out here in this 20-foot 2017 with a 115 AEX Pro Merc. Nice boat, clean, make a hell of a good crabbing fishing boat. You put about 6 people in here easy. Like I say, I went through the boat. It does need a new wiper blade up here in the gear bath oil over on the starboard trailer. You can't see it because the trailer's back there, of course. But anyway, plane just landed, 727, and they said it couldn't be done. They just didn't want to use their power. Anyway, it doesn't have wash down or any like bait box. You got a fish box up front there, and you got storage right here. You got storage back there, and I already showed you where the batteries were, and now storage up underneath there. I showed you that. Okay, the red port light, nav light doesn't work. Starboard does. Anchor light works. Like I say, these switches are available. Wash down, that's your anchor lights. Horn works, and this is your mercury gauge. There's a lot of different options there. This is fuel injection, so boom, just turn the key, it goes, it'll start that up. Now it does have good water flow. Takes a second or two. Let's see what that is. Yep, pouring out good, smooth. If you put a kicker, put the kicker over there on the port side, over there, not there, over there, because you got cables there for one thing, but over there, it will balance the weight. Because it wants to dip a little bit to this weight, but if you get another person in, it should level the boat out because it will dig just a little bit with one person. So anyway, I set it to this one just because it's got your speedometer, and then you can press it again, gives you your hours. There's 97 hours on here. Battery, that's your trim lever, that tells you your RPMs right there. So you have everything on this gauge. Battery to 13.9, that goes back to RPM again, and that's your speed right there. So this is probably your best gauge. If you want to see how much fuel you got, you just hit this exit button, and you go back to vessel right there and hit it, and then hit mode again. There 72%. So I normally run it up underneath the propulsion right there, because that gives you everything you need to know. And there's RPM, and there's speed. Okay, so from there, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Trim it all the way down. The trim could be set a little bit better. It will come on when you trim. I go by feel anyway. So it takes off, start trimming up. Trim goes 12%. About 14 is max. There we go. Speed about 35. And we're going faster than that. We're probably doing about 40. So that ain't too accurate. Yeah, handles good this way because of the current. So there's really not
Roger out.